Recreational drones have become developed enough now that some very capable machines are available at extremely affordable prices. This has, in turn, resulted in a very large number of consumers getting to enjoy this exciting technology. There are a few minor constraints, though, still keeping some users from investing in drones. The two prime ones being the relatively complex nature of controls seen in most standard drones and the open space needed to fly these machines, not readily accessible in an urban environment. A good way to get over these limitations is to buy mini drones, many of which are thankfully available in the market too, with our product today a very good example of that.
Here we go!
The Yipa 3D Flip Mini RC drone is a very small flying machine, measuring just 1.6 by 1.6 by 0.9 inches and weighing less than 5 ounces, which needs very little space to let you enjoy the pleasures of flying. This makes it ideal for urban users who don't want their drones to bump into buildings and people, but also don't have a wide open space present close by. Its easy controls and maneuverability also make it perfect for new users, especially for kids. What is equally impressive is that despite its petite appearance, the Yipa mini drone doesn't lack in features that would make even a standard-sized drone a great purchase option. It's an aluminum alloy CX-10 Nano RC quadcopter with 4-channel mini rolling and a real 6-axis gyro feature. In simple language, this means that you get a stable, efficient flying experience with this machine. A light, durable airframe also ensures longer flight times, as well as minimal chance of damage in case of rough landings or obstructions in the flight path. Adding to the drone's eminent ease of use is the accompanying remote control, which looks very much like a video game control, with very intuitive buttons and joystick for speed control, direction change, and even stunts. A 3-speed mode for high, medium, and low also gives the user time to get comfortable with the system. And you have the handy LED flashlight feature to ensure that you can fly it in the dark conditions too. Other features that add to its great design include a control distance of close to 100 feet and a flight time of about 5 minutes on a charge of just 15 to 20 minutes. With a set of characteristics that let it punch well above its weight and a price that makes it a great gift for children and complete newbies, the Yipa mini drone looks like an ideal machine to get into the drone ecosystem before moving on to bigger, meaner machines. It has earned a pretty good average score of 3.5 on 5 stars from about 50 user reviews, with its easy control and durability getting the best comments. That's all we have on the Yipa 3D Flip Mini RC drone for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other drone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.